Hello, now that we know what to do to find the equivalent of a fraction, let us now apply it to this question. So in this example, we are to find 3 fractions equivalent to 2 over 9. That is, we are working with the fraction 2 over 9, and we are to find 3 other fractions that have the same value as 2 over 9, but are represented with different numbers. Let's do this. Solution. Now, what we learned is that to find the equivalent of a fraction, you multiply the numerator and denominator by the same number, or you divide the numerator and denominator by the same number. And we are working with 2 over 9. Now, when you look at these two numbers, we won't be able to divide because the only thing that is a factor for 2 and 9 is 1. And if you divide by 1, you will still get 2 over 9. But since we want a different number, then we can't do that. So we work with multiplication. So let's multiply first with 2. Multiplying the numerator by 2 and the denominator by 2 would give us what? So we have 2 times 2, and we get 4 over 9 times 2 will give us 18. There, we have gotten our first equivalent fraction, because this implies that 2 over 9 is equivalent to 4 over 18. Now let's do another one, since we are to do 3 of this. We are still working with 2 over 9. So since we have multiplied by 2, this time let us multiply by 3. Remember, the same number is what you multiply both the numerator and denominator by. Now, what is 2 multiplied by 3? That is 6. Very good. Now, what is 9 multiplied by 3? You get 27. This therefore implies that 2 over 9 is equivalent to 6 over 27. Now one more. Still working with 2 over 9. This time let's multiply by 4. Now what does this give us? For the top, we have 2 multiplied by 4 at the numerator. This will give us 8. And 9 multiplied by 4 will give us 36. This implies that 2 over 9 is equivalent to 8 over 36. Therefore, our answer is that 2 over 9 is equivalent to 4 over 18, which is also equivalent to 6 over 27, and also equivalent to 8 over 36. So we have 3 more fractions that have the same value as 2 over 9, but do not look like 2 over 9. Thank you.